Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add Epidemic sound music to Instagram Reels. Before we start, if you don't have an Epidemic sound account yet, you can use the link in the description or pinned comments to get a 30-day free trial. You'll be able to test premium music, sound effects, and the main features without paying during the trial. So it's the best way to follow this tutorial with your own account. Alright, so first up, go ahead and open up your Epidemic sound account. Now go ahead over to music right here. If you want some background music, go ahead and download one from the music section. For example, we have here themes, for example, vlogs. Okay, you can go ahead and click on it, and then maybe under a family vlog, just look for music. You can click on preview, and if you like one, well, go ahead and click on download. You can download the full mix or all the stems, including full mix, melody, instruments, bass, and drums, or you can just go ahead and download the instruments alone or the melody alone. Okay, you can cut it by using segments and by using this slider. But if I were you, I'm going to go ahead and download all stems so that I can use the bass, the drums, and everything. Okay, now once that's done, go ahead and download some sound effects as well. Maybe some water sound effects. Okay, you can preview it, and if you like the audio, click on download. You can download as many sound effects and music right here, as well as voices. Okay, let's say you wanted to add in some voiceovers into your video. Let's say I'm just going to go ahead and use Mike's voice right here. I'm going to click on it, and then I'm going to copy the specific script. Okay, just like, for example, this one. And then you can go ahead and select the language, the speed, and finally click on create voiceover. Just wait for the process to finish right here. It will be quick, okay? It won't take long depending on the length of the script that you have entered right here. So you can click on play right here to listen to it. And if you like it, click on download. Save it, just like so. And then once done, you can now close Epidemic Sound. As you can see here, we have the full mix, okay? Let's go ahead and extract it. And the mix includes the whole audio, the bass, the drums, instruments, and the melody. So what you'll do basically is go ahead and open up your editing software and just drag and drop it. Let's say you have a video right here, drag and drop it, add in your background audio right here. And if you want to loop it, just copy and paste and put it down in the section, cut it. Add in some sound effects that you have just downloaded, just like so. Add it wherever you want. And you'll have the voice over here as well. Okay, make sure that you go ahead and set it to 9:16, as Instagram Reels should be set to 9:16. Okay, click on play, and once done, click on export. And after that, just upload it to Instagram Reels. And there you have it. That's how simple it is to add Epidemic sound music to Instagram Reels. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.